Namaskara, my divine family, and welcome to Panchaportal, a weekly reading which will help you define and navigate through this week in 5 areas of your life: spirituality, finance, business and work, your personal relationships, and your personal health. Hi, I'm Shweta, and I'm a Mokshpat trainer and expert. And today, I bring to you this beautiful program created by the eternal learners of transcending beliefs.
Namaskar, my dear soul family. This is Moshmi here. I'm from Pune. I'm a naturopath. I'm a psychologist. I'm a healer. और आज मैं बात करना चाहूँगी फॉर द वीक जून 10 से जून 16 तक के लिए। और इस पूरे वीक में मैं बात कर रही हूँ टुवर्ड्स द हेल्थ। आपका हेल्थ किस तरीके से रहेगा इस पूरे वीक में। तो अगर आप देखें कि हेल्थ के पर्सपेक्टिव में इस पूरे वीक में एक्चुअली ये बहुत अच्छा वीक रहेगा कि आप हो सकता है कि योगा क्लास ज्वाइन करना चाह रहे हो, बहुत टाइम से नहीं कर पा रहे, तो अब आप अगर वो डिसीजन लेना चाहते हो तो इट इज द वेरी बेस्ट टाइम, बिकॉज इट इज अबाउट ऑल अबाउट योर सोलर प्लेक्सस। आप किस तरीके से अपना डिसीजन ले रहे हो, आप किस तरीके से अपने डिसीजन पे फर्म रह रहे हो। आप हो सकता है मेडिटेशन नहीं कर रहे तो मेडिटेशन आपको बहुत हेल्प करेगा। यहाँ पे आप येलो कलर के कपड़े पहन सकते हो, येलो कलर के खाने खा सकते हो, फ्रूट्स ले सकते हो, which will gonna anyways help you out through this solar plexus के हीलिंग के लिए। और मेडिटेशन आपको बहुत ज्यादा हेल्प करेंगे, योगा आपको बहुत हेल्प करेगा। हेल्थ के रिलेटेड अगर आप वर्कआउट नहीं कर रहे हो, अपना हेल्थ का ध्यान नहीं रख पा रहे, तो दिस इज द वेरी ब्यूटिफुल वीक विच इज टेलिंग यू टू टेक केयर ऑफ योर हेल्थ ऑल्सो। At the same time, this is a very beautiful week. So the guidance is all about कि आप अपनी एनर्जी को ग्राउंड करके रखिए। ग्राउंडेड का मतलब होता है कि आप नेचर के साथ कनेक्ट कीजिए। हो सके तो आपको अगर ग्रीन ग्रास मिल रहा है तो आप ग्रीन ग्रास पे चलिए, आपको बहुत ज्यादा अच्छा लगेगा। लिसन टू योर बॉडी, व्हाट एग्जैक्टली योर बॉडी इज टेलिंग यू। इफ इट इज नॉट फीलिंग गुड, इफ इट इज फीलिंग गुड, इफ इट इज नॉट फीलिंग हेल्दी लेटर, तो आप उसी हिसाब से आपके बॉडी के साथ आप जैसे जैसे उसको फील करेंगे, उसके साथ काम करेंगे, तो यू विल फील कि आपका जो हेल्थ का पर्सपेक्टिव है वो बहुत इम्प्रूव हो रहा है। एंड ओवरऑल दिस होल एंटायर वीक इज वेरी गुड अबाउट योर हेल्थ। सो टेक केयर ऑफ योर हेल्थ। नमस्कार।
Namaste. I'm Shashi Sethi, your devoted Mokshpata reader, bringing you the cosmic guidance for the week of 10th June to 16th June 2024. The reading comes on a box which tells us that life is not a bed of roses, and neither will you find people custom made to your requirements or dreams or fantasies. It's better to face reality and accept people as they are without any judgments. For having good relationships, if you venture out with a feeling of acceptance and allowance, you will find that life has more colors and fragrances, and you will surely be pleasantly surprised by the diverse spectrum which is waiting to unfold. It is a reality check for all those people who destroy their relationships by falling into the trap of victimization. Everyone has to go through life's challenges, but if you relate to people around you with joy, acceptance, and love, then you can walk the path of beautiful relationship on all fronts, be it domestic or related to workspace. The guidance is to forgive yourself for past mistakes and misunderstandings, and forgive others too, letting go of all criticism and blame. Leave behind this baggage, for it is too heavy to carry. In this state of mercy and forgiveness, you will be able to create beautiful relationships which will make this life's journey a beautiful one. Signing off, this is Shashi Sethi. Stay tuned for more updates.
We're now halfway through this week's weekly reading. And before we move on, let me tell you one little secret about Mokshapat. If you've ever wished for a friend or a guide in your life who will always guide you on the right track to success, prosperity, spirituality, and growth, then Mokshpat will be that friend for you. Now, let's move ahead and watch the rest of the reading.
Namaste. I Alpa with you on Punch Portal for the period of 10th June to 16th June 2024 for the spirituality. Mokshpath Board is encouraging us to delve deeper into your spiritual journey during this period, embracing practices like meditation, puja, katha, jagrata, and pilgrimage can indeed help you to connect with your inner self and elevate your spiritual awareness. It's time for self-reflection and growth, allowing you to correct any misguided actions and rejuvenate your soul. Embrace this opportunity to enhance path towards enlightenment. Use this time to cultivate inner peace and align your actions with your spiritual values, fostering personal growth and enlightenment. Embrace the journey of self-discovery and spiritual elevation for fulfilling and transformative experience. Namaste. Have a great week ahead.
My dear seekers of cosmic guidance, myself Rupali, a Mokshpatam divination artist, is ready to take you to the insights of mysterious Mokshpatam for the week 10 to 16th of June. Those who are in business, get ready to fill this week with the positive vibes. This week, you can create your own opportunity to build tomorrow you want. A little progress each day will add up a big result. To be successful, you must accept all the challenges that come your way. You can plan accordingly and execute it. As time, energy, and talent is more important than your budget. If you are stuck, make compromises and adjustment with your partner openly and listen with open heart for the new possibilities and opportunities, as communication is the solution for all the problem. It's like a thread that weaves success. Wish you a week filled with success. Namaste.
Hello, Namaste everyone. I am Lakshita. Today I wanted to talk to you about an interesting message for our financial future found on the Mokshapatam board for the second week of June 10th to June 16th. That's a profound message emphasizing the importance of financial literacy and informed decision making. Seeking guidance from experienced investors is indeed crucial for making sound investment choices. It's all about navigating the path to prosperity with clarity and wisdom. The board's advice is spot on. Leveraging your skills and assets in the right places can definitely generate extra income, whether it's freelancing, selling crafts online, or utilizing spare resources like renting out a room. It's about optimizing what you have to enhance your financial situation. Absolutely, empowering ourselves financially is key to achieving prosperity and fulfillment. It's all about making informed choices and taking steps towards a brighter financial future. Thank you. Stay connected and stay tuned. Thank you.
That is all for this week. And I hope that this week's reading helps you create a week full of excitement, success, and growth. For more such videos and information, follow and subscribe our channel. And if you have a problem in your life, don't forget to DM us. I will definitely wait for your query and revert back to you. Thank you and see you all next week once again.